Alright guys, we are interrupting the swimming operations for a quick raffle draw. Okay, let's do this quickly. Just a little bit for you. No need to do anything there. No need to do anything there, just keep it closed. Okay, keep it closed and then we're going to drop it in. Drop it in. Drop it in. You're gonna shake it. Shake, 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 shake. 1, 2, 3. Julie, pick one winner. Thank you guys for joining. And the winner is Don Ainsworth. Congratulations, Don. You are the winner. Do the swim. 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 And say bye. Congratulations.